Welcome to 12-inch apps. This is my dynamic banner pages component. Made this component for your Arcblock pages kit. No coding needed. You're able to upload images directly from your device onto your web page, display them very quickly and nicely. You can also customize the way this looks. As you see down here is an example of some images on an auto transition, the dynamic banner. Let's take a look at the controls. Once you've launched the dynamic banner custom component and you choose it, you'll see that in the parameters there's up to 10 images can be loaded at each time straight from your device, or you can put a link to an image. Now we can adjust the height here if we want to make it bigger or if we want to make it smaller. You can change the type of transition. You can change the image from a cover to a non-cover, and then also change the interval, slow it down how quickly the images change. So speed up how quickly the images change. Just made this component so that you could quickly organize and display images on your Arcblock Pages kit. Thank you. Have a good day.